Let's talk about this sales funnel that's going to be able to help you generate leads without paying for advertising. A sales funnel within itself is something that looks a little like this, where you're going to bring awareness to people so they can be interested, they can consider what you're saying. Hopefully, you're good enough to make the close, you have enough value, information, and people skills to make the close so that they can make a purchase from you. Afterwards, hopefully, you're keeping up with them so that you can get them to make more purchases or refer you to other purchasers. But there's a few problems with this, and I'm trying to put you guys up on game about how they keep getting you guys and taking your money with all of these fancy titles and buzzwords, right? They're always going to have something that sounds like it's something better out there. And a title like the one that I had before is how they do it. And you have to realize that there are different phases of the sales funnel. So the sales funnel in itself is supposed to be what they teach is the landing page where your customer goes to fill something out and they become a lead. What they're not telling you is that before your customer actually goes to the quote unquote sales funnel, which is supposed to be like your landing page or maybe a chat bot, or you have some sort of survey with Typeform, maybe you use Go High Level. The sales funnel within itself, without any advertising, does nothing for you in your life or your bank account, right? And so what they do is they get you all hyped up on you got to have a sales funnel. Oh, do you have a sales funnel? And you have this expensive $1,629 dollar sales funnel and 15 cents, and you can do nothing with it because, oh, I need traffic to my sales funnel. And so now they say, oh, okay, well, you have your sales funnel, here you go. How's it working out? And you go, well, it's not working out because nobody's going to it. Oh, well, I can sell you the traffic. And then it's like, okay, well, it's not, I got the traffic, I got the leads, and I'm kind of making sales. Like, oh, well, what's your follow-up system? Oh, I don't really have one. Oh, I can give you, and it's like all of these different pieces. And we gotta stop falling for these guys who are telling us that the sales funnel is just gonna save our life. It's not just the funnel itself. You have to have ads that go to it, or in this particular video, I'm gonna teach you how to do it without ads. So your sales funnel is great. And you know what? Let's go to the next slide here. Some of you would identify with this. Leads come in, they turn into appointments. This says prospects, and then you get some customers. Now, if you get 1,000 leads and and you only get 100 appointments and 10 customers, then it's really time to reevaluate either your closing skills or your product and your closing skills, because something's wrong somewhere. But let's take a look at a very basic. Now, it's not pretty, so don't talk about me too bad, but this is what it looks like. How do I create a sales funnel that creates leads on demand without having to pay for advertising? The answer is you work your butt off, right? You take a lot of your time, and there is no easy way to the top. You're either going to pay money or you're going to use your time, but you better do something, because if not, you're just going to let moments pass you by. So forums, Facebook groups, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Now, forums and Facebook groups are probably my least favorite, because when I was first starting out and I wanted people to take me seriously, I would hover around forums and Facebook groups and I would answer questions that people had so that they can see that I was valuable and then hopefully want to do business with me. It's effective. I have had clients like that, but it's not my favorite way. YouTube, when I started my YouTube, my wife actually told me I should start one. I didn't want to, but when I started my YouTube, I want to say within the first 3 to 4 weeks, I had people contacting me asking to work with me for lead generation. So for me, YouTube was free and it was a quick return. So I started devoting more of my time to it. Instagram as well. I went on Instagram, created my Instagram account, started following different people, in the niche, and they would message me and ask me how much, and I would make appointments and get clients from that. That was pretty cool. And then TikTok. So TikTok is one of those things, if you're not using it, you really should, especially if you're e-commerce. One time I saw this guy, and I think the hashtag is things that you don't know you need. This one guy has an entire TikTok dedicated to the things that he has on his webpage that you can buy from his Amazon affiliate link. And he has short videos of him using all of these cool products that hopefully, if you look at them, it'll make you want to buy them. You'll go back to his link in his bio, and then he'll take you to his page where hopefully you'll buy in and get on his email or text list. So the sales funnel within itself is your page. So you see where it says page, that's your landing page, your chat bot, your survey, wherever you're going to send people. So you find all of the social media platforms that you can, post a bunch of stuff on it, and then you're going to have, if it's valuable stuff you're posting, have everybody go to your link, right? And your link is going to send them to your page, your survey, whatever it is that you have, your chat bot. It's going to send them there so that it can collect their information, or maybe you just want it to have them set an appointment through a calendar link, or maybe you have a low ticket offer you want them to buy in on. After that, they come on your email and text list, and that's it. That's how you create a sales funnel that you don't have to pay for advertising, but it'll give you a bunch of leads. If you take, and I'm a witness to this, if you take your time and post valuable content, you start following people on Instagram and liking their stuff, make valuable comments, you will have people that seek you out, ask you questions, and want to either work with you or buy whatever product you have to sell. But it's up to you to pick a niche or niche, if I have to be fancy about it. And it's up to you to figure out, what kind of content am I going to put out that's going to give a single message of this? Am I going to be a realtor, or am I going to be the Los Angeles seller's agent? Am I going to be a life insurance agent, or am I going to put together family plans for kids' colleges, kids' college funds or something like that, right? Am I going to be a mechanic, or am I going to be the exhaust specialist? And if I'm going to be a specialist in something, then I need to go after or follow or talk to those kind of people that I want to do business with. So when they think of a certain subject, they think about me. And that's how you do it. So I hope this video was valuable, and I hope it helps you. And for the love of God, stop buying all those other courses, because they all keep teaching the same thing. They only take about 3 to 4 hours to do it. But this, my friend, is the short version. So I hope this was helpful. If you have anything to say, put it in the comment section. I'll talk to you all later.